Juliet, you're going to your new home. Ah, good girl. What a good girl. Come on. Come on. Aw, that a girl. Aw, she's gonna love it here. Don't worry, people. Show around. Show around. Look, her old toys right here. See? And then there's some new stuff all around. Peanuts and water and food and everything. And her cuddle bone up there. Ladder, cuddle bone right there. Her tree. Her mirror. Look at yourself. You're doing it. Yeah. Alright. I hope she likes it here. Bye.